Okay, guys, we will be checking out these two patterns or these two chart patterns on these two assets and see how we can take control of the situation whenever we see such patterns, whenever we are trading. Okay, so if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This particular asset is called FX volume 80 and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This chart movement actually got to the resistance zone around here and it was unable to break out from there. If you should notice, it had been on uptrend for a while. Check it out. Okay, it had been on uptrend starting from this support zone. It went on uptrend just where we are seeing it till it got to the resistance zone, which happened to be this point. Okay, so it was unable to break out above it, and since it's unable to break out above it, so it actually gave us a downtrend signal, and of course the sell signal came up around here. There are more sell signals in between. You can see at each pullback, okay, this should be the entry point, but look at it, at each pullback, there are more entry points for us, okay? So which we can take advantage of it if you had followed the pattern or probably if you are using this trading tool, okay? So this actually gave us a good entry point at the top right here and made a lot of profits at the end of the day, okay? So this actually got to the support region here, bounced back and came back to retest this support region, but it was unable to break out from there. But if you should notice how it is giving us a unique chart pattern. So right here, I believe if it breaks out above this region, then definitely it's going to buy more. Even though it has given us an uptrend signal right from here and a buy signal right from here, and you can see it started buying, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. So if you understand this trading strategy, you are most likely to be making profits all the time. Okay, just the way you have seen it, it is a trend trading strategy and it works very well. Now let's check out FX volume 60 also. This is FX volume 60, just the same thing which I explained earlier. The market was on uptrend before, got to this resistance or was unable to break out above it. And of course, since it's unable to break out above it, it changed the direction of the trend into a downtrend. This is one thing I love about trend trading strategy. Once you can confirm that the trend is changing and you get into the market, okay, you will be in profits throughout the trend. Okay, you will definitely be in profits throughout the trend, except if it didn't follow the trend again and it bounced back. Okay, that is when it will eat loss. Okay, but if it didn't bounce back, then definitely you will always be in profit. And that is why I always ask you, whenever you are placing an order, make sure you always set a stop loss, a good and reasonable stop loss whenever you are placing your order. Okay, this will help you to secure your market or your assets, your capital at the end of the day. Let's say you decide to come in here and you place your stop loss at the top right here, then definitely in case it's the market decides to misbuild just the way it did here but didn't get to the stop loss, and of course it went back to break out below this, you can see it's now sold for a very long time. This will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Remember, this is also 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine, do your calculations guys, if you had come in around here, then trade the asset till you get to this region. This is 181 candles multiplied by 15 minutes. Okay, that will give you the amount of minutes spent in the market, and that's a lot of profit for you. Let's check out the amount of points created with this particular trading activities. Okay guys, this is 869,466 points. This is so amazing guys. This is so amazing. So you can imagine this will have given you lots and lots of profits at the end of the day. So you guys shouldn't dull yourself. Make sure you understand the trend trading strategy, and you will, or you are most likely to be making profits on daily basis if you do. Okay, and these are the things that you should hold from this video. Okay, number one, make sure you understand how to identify a new trend. Okay, number two, make sure the trend is starting from either the resistance region or the support region. That is when you have confirmed that it's not going to break out from any of these. Okay, and the third part of it is set your order. Okay, place your order and make sure you use a reasonable risk, a reasonable lot size whenever you are setting your lot size. Okay, so this is whenever you are placing your order. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this will help you to secure your capital and also give you more room to make more profit for yourself at the end of the day. I will be stopping right here. If you understand more, if you understand today's training, okay, kindly give me a beautiful message in the comment section. And if you have any question at all, you can also drop your question down there in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And you can also join my Telegram channel. There will be some signals today. I'm sorry I was unable to post signals yesterday, and that's because of my my activities as at yesterday. Okay, so I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank